You don't get customer today.
No see customer today.
Maybe
Customer, come now. Come and check me out.
waiting there, so check you out. So outfit have been waiting.
And come now.
Why they come do waiting? Waiting are they do for you?
Come now, come check. You don't see. Come now.
Come do waiting. Waiting are they do for you? Oh.
Come now.
No be you be legend sister.
Oga, no be me, oh, show. No be me.
No one.
Like my eyes they pay
No be
me.
me. They go front. They no
I go talk say no be
If
you.
no one come, they go. If na Anna, they go. No be me.
No go find work. Ndala.
They go now.
No. My legend sister be this. Ma come. They come.
No mind, now leave am. You no get money, now wetin cause I just dey talk rubbish.
From Bulolu dey break. Loud must dey. Akunade atumojo limilata. The game is the game.
Legend. You dey here. Your sister they do call for junction. Come now, I'ma show you.
What do you mean by my sister? Where dey
Your sister they do come now. She they call me now. Now I see her come they call you. Legend come.
I beg, no joke with my sister.
No be joke now.
Why
Why
sister dey school? She don't do any hook.
Legend, follow me. Now you come see your sister now. Follow me now. Follow me. Now we dey go. Think
My own sister.
Your sister they do call. Follow me now. Now we dey
If
move.
na joke, me and you.
No be joke now. Legend come. Ma they see you. Come.
Now one transport go put leg so.
Legend they come now.
Now we dey go. No dey like wetin I hate.
No be lie. Come to your
like
sister.
wetin I hate you.
Your sister. What you dey tell me? No be your sister. Wait get small body. No be your sister be that. No be your sister. I dey tell you though. If anything wey you wan do and do am. No be your sister be that. No be your sister. Be na your mama. No be your sister. Go, Mary. Anything you wan do am, Mary do am. Na your sister be that. They tell you say things how they play.
Na my sister.
No, na your mama.
Favour, what are you doing here? Who be your customer?
Customer.
Which customer? Who be your customer? Favour, what are you doing here?
I beg, me una carry this family matter.
Favour, what are you doing here? Na here be the school where we sent you go. Wetin be Favour, what are you doing here?
When they see they saw our papa property, no say you go train me for side. They for school they suffer. I know they beg.
Favour, na who come because school dey do? Favour, come make we dey go
I
house.
don't they go anywhere. I don't follow you get anywhere. Follow you go where?
Na my sister be this o.
Why you carry her come here?
Wetin she dey do for street?
It concern you.
Na my sister na e concern me.
Na
Favour, oya make we dey go
I
house.
don't follow you they go anywhere. No.
Favour, wait o. Do you want to put our father's name in the mud? What is your plan? Favour, abeg, I beg in the name of God or whatever you are serving, abeg come make we dey go house.
I know they follow you they go. I'm not go start to the suffer. No, I know they follow you they go anywhere.
Favour, see, make I tell you something, Forget say I know they help matter since, but this thing wey they do now, I no like am at all. Abeg, come make we dey go house. I no like this thing wey they do now.
You go like am.
Abeg, I dey beg you in the name of God. Oh, come, I don change o. From now onwards, I go begin dey give you whatever you want.
I begin to my school fees, nothing for my nothing. Oga, no dey follow you they go anywhere.
Abeg, I don
My
change.
school fees, nothing.
I don change. From now onwards, I go dey pay your school fees. Abeg, come make we dey go. Abeg, I beg you in the name of God.
okay, Oga, you know where to go. Follow your brother go house. Your brother don't change. He don't change. Follow your
Help
brother
me
go
tell
house.
am.
We dey go house. He don't change. Oh, don't vex. Follow your brother go house.
Favour, you know what you go do here. Follow your brother go here. No worry. I will call you for phone. You go change. Follow and go.
Abeg, I don change. Na my only sister you be o. I no go dey alive. If my father dey alive now, you no go dey happy say you dey do this kind work.
Sorry.
Get lost in because of my friends.
Come, make we dey go. Thank you now. Favour, I no like this thing wey you dey do o.
I will make sure I will stay in this school, stay until they sack this useless man. Let me see how you will survive this one. I told you, every day is for the thief. One day is for me, the owner. Yes. Warning! I said it. This is our gate man. I must deal with him. Yes. I will be stealing money every day in this school. Yes, I was there with him. They must sack him in this school. Every time you go, they put eye for my business. If I push woman, you go say they push woman. If I do this one, you go complain. They must sack this useless man. Very stupid man. They must catch you in this school. You must lose your job. I will make sure that you lose your job. You can't be putting eye in my business and go free like that. Yes, I'm the bad boy in this school. But I will make sure they catch you. I will make sure it's you. You must lose your job. I swear to God, if you don't lose your job, God bastard, they must catch him. This one is even too small. I will make sure I will stay in this school, stay until they sack this useless man. He must lose his job. You can't be putting eye in my business for nothing sake and go free. It's not possible. They don't born you well. Let me see how you will survive this one.
I told you, every day is for the thief. One day is for me, the owner. So this is what we do. Every day they will be complaining that I get man, the security of this school is not doing his work. They want to sack me. So you have been the one stealing from people's locker. When everybody goes back to school, to their home, you will come back from home and then it's Patanori.
It's the devil's hard work. It's not my fault.
It's not your fault. Who did I catch the devil? Did I catch the devil now? It's you that I caught.
Let's hear this body.
3,000. You came and stole 3,000. You think you can go scot free? See, let me tell you, I have your video here. Thank God my phone is, I have enough battery. What do I do with my phone? Yes, I have deleted my video. You deleted this video now. This one is a professional.
I'm telling you now. You stole this money. You are a thief. You stole the wallet. So you are a thief. You have been stealing in this school. So you are one stealing our money in this school. What I'm doing? See you do. I'm recording you. You stole 3,000 naira from our locker in this school. Get man security. You will lose your job. You must lose your job. See, I'm recording you. You are the one that stole the money. Yes, I'm feeling you now. Wait, what is wait?
Don't do this to me. You know I'm innocent.
You must lose your job.
I'm innocent.
Innocent? What is innocent?
How can you just label me a criminal?
You are a thief. I'm feeling you.
So you?
I'm still recording you.
You did not steal.
Yes.
You did not steal. You take the money. Okay, take it.
No, I will take all of them.
Are you sure this is not your destiny?
It's not my destiny. It's your own destiny.
How can you be this fast to delete a video and by evidence?
You catch who?
Okay, we did not steal. We did not steal. You did not steal. I did not steal.
Good.
Let me take one.
I will take all of them.
You take all of them?
Yes.
Okay, that means you delete the video. We did not steal. We are innocent. We are. Jesus.
Get man.
Yes, mommy.
What are the two of you dragging about?
By this guy. This boy is a criminal.
I caught him. He stole our money from our locker. He break this window and entered.
Again?
Yes.
Again?
I have the video. See the video here. See the money in his hand. See,
Get man.
him in the heart.
No.
So you are doing the one stealing money from this squad?
Yes. He's the one. Oh, he's the one. He's a criminal.
They have been talking about you. The school authority must hear this. The school authority must hear this.
Yes.
Let's go.
The
The school authority must hear this. So it has been you all this while.
Yes.
I did not. This boy.
You should stop lying now.
So that means we even have a team in our school.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go to the school authority. Let us go. Let us go. No, let us go.
You don't want
I didn't this is not cut you now. That is how you just go like that. Let us go.
Be going.
You are wearing uniform as a security and you're stealing.
You stole the
You are the
money.
thief that is in this school.
Let's discuss.
Discuss what?
Let's dialogue very well.
No, you have been the one stealing inside this square.
Yes, mommy.
That people have been complaining.
Let me speak.
Let us go. I will report you to the authority. I will report you.
You